is GT Junior grows it. So let's just go on an adventure real quick, y'all. Let me show you what I got done and how it's working out. So this is, y'all might can see, I don't know. So this is what I'm doing now. I put together the first one. Yeah. And I put it together, and now I'm working on the second one. The reason why the second one is taking a little longer is because I was missing the bottom brackets. And I contacted the company. Now I bought this in September. And I really didn't know how they were gonna respond to me asking for parts more than, 6 months down the line. But, gracefully I, told them exactly what it was, which is, hey, it was a great deal. I bought it and la la la. And they was like, okay then, cool. And so they asked me what the part was, and then they said we're gonna put a rush on. Now it's coming from China, so I'm thinking, okay, it'll take about a month or whatever. But I got it today, so that's what we're doing today. This is me just putting in the bottom bracket. You have to angle your body different ways because of the way that the screw and the bolt through the three things line up. But yeah. And it really was a great day to actually get this done. The raised garden bed was $59.99. It took like a month before it shipped. But the thing about this raised garden bed is that, I got 2 of them. They're 8x4x1. So I made pretty good on it. And hopefully they have the same deal again. I'm gonna get one more. Alright y'all, so user manual. That's what I got. So we're gonna open this bad boy up, see what we got. Put this mug together. So it's telling you what to do. It says prepare the foundation according to the greenhouse size. We're gonna put these pieces together. We'll put those together, tuck those in the side, and we're gonna move on. That was pretty cool that it gave me the gloves also to put this together. And it's just, it's pretty easy to put together, and it says put these in there so just you have a structure, and then you go back and connect the other poles. And yeah, this mug was so heavy. That's my fish fertilizer that I have in here. But woo, that mug got some weight on it. So have you ever put a greenhouse together or a raised garden bed together? Answer in the comment section. I just want to know. I mean, this was good. This is me trying to figure out what I'm doing. I haven't put a greenhouse together in a long time, and I actually want to do this a little bit differently. So I'm trying to figure it out, and it's going to come along pretty well, hopefully. So this is the layout of how the greenhouse will sit in my yard, and the hoops, yeah, they're completed, so I'm happy about that. And then weed barrier that I have on the actual ground. You see that I dug up all that grass that was there. Yeah, just cutting the weed fabric so that I can place that down. And then I had all of these cardboards in my kitchen in the corner. My wife was like, you need to remove this stuff. I said, baby, just wait till the summertime. I'm gonna use it up. And it worked out. Then I had to grab some logs. This is like something like permaculture that I'm actually trying to institute. And you see those leaves back there? Oh yeah, last year's. This tree right here, it fell. So what I'm attempting to do is remove this. Yeah. All right, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all how I acquired this wood for my raised garden bed. What it is, just on part of an off day or whatever, I stopped by the job and I cut down some branches. This is an electric saw, and the reason why I use that is because it's at work, so it's not going to be that disruptive to others and stuff. It doesn't hold a charge as well because of how thick the branches are, but it was able to get her done. And that's what I needed to do. I needed to secure some branches so that I can, finish my raised garden bed. And this was free, so, I'm making a way. Yes, I am. The pressure of both sides colliding made it to where the saw would get stuck, and my brain didn't quite recognize that at first, but looking back at the video, I understand exactly why. But I'm struggling trying to get it in. Now this is where things get interesting. I'm like, oh my goodness. When I look back at it, I'm like, wow, I really did do this. Look at this, y'all. I'm getting it in, and here we go. Timber. Oh my goodness. Wow. But, you know, I'm able to get it together. Sit this back up. Trying to fill this bed for the lowest cost hasn't been as challenging. You know, physically it's a little bit more demanding, but financially it has been relieving that, you know, use some of my time, my muscle, and some of the equipment that I have, and it seems like it's going to be full pretty nicely. Now I know that I am not using this chainsaw the best I could, and I'm trying to get it done. I'm trying to get up out of here, and I'm just moving fast so that I can go because this was a day that I had to go to the another job. So, you know, just try to do the most that I can with this limited battery supply. I felt so accomplished walking back to it, dropping those logs off. Yeah, it was like, yes, progress. On the way to my next job assignment, I had about 10 minutes. So, you know, even though these are nicer shoes, I still went on and filled this container up so that I can, you know, get it done. And I have a small car, but I have that tarp down, so I was able to do it. Remember, use your legs when lifting. So I lifted it, put it in there, pushed it, and did the second one. And, you know, at the end of the day, I was able to take the soil and fill up my raised garden bed. Oops, almost forgot the shovel. This is me and my son putting this greenhouse together. It was pretty cool to have someone to help me so that we can get it done. And, you know, when I was messing up, he was able to show me, and vice versa. And it turned out really good. We was able to work as a team. And I'm just capturing just all kinds of little moments of him doing his thug thizzle, us working together to get it accomplished. Felt real good. Then we had to actually prepare the soil for the top layer, which involved some of the garden soil, which is the in-ground, with the peat moss and some of the perlite. He's using this Rambo knife. Still teaching him how to use a knife, but he liked this knife right here.
Soil on top of that. Now it's time for me to put more on there. Then it's time to put some plants.